Alright, brand new barrel stove I just finished up. I just put the paint on this. We'll go through it. This is all refurbished parts. So I got a 30-gallon barrel. This was an old grease barrel. The flange is an old industrial flange. The legs, this is actually the stand off of an old trouble light, all metal, all bolted in. The door, I just made a stove door making video. You can see that, how I did the whole door. Let's look inside. There's no grate in this. You don't need one. I don't know how good the light is out here. I don't know how good you guys can see this. No welding, all angle grinder and high-speed drill. And turned out really neat. Got my underfire. Open, close, real simple, and that's a good demo that it couldn't really show because of the angle in my stove door making video. And that was just a couple of videos ago if you guys want to look it up. And I'll give you a view of the legs. Now let's go look inside this top flange. There we go. This will be a really nice stove for somebody. I'm going to sell this, of course. And yeah, I actually like this so much I might just keep this. Very cool. And the paint is, of course, all high temp black, stove black spray paint. And it's still kind of drying, so I got to be kind of careful here. But yeah, it just shows what you can do. Thanks to everybody for subscribing. If you guys want to keep seeing stove making videos, let me know in the comments. It's strange the direction this channel's gone. This was supposed to be a metal detecting and exploration and adventure channel, and somehow it's turned into a stove making channel. But that's okay. That's fine with me too. Alright, thanks for subscribing. You and your families, please take care. See you soon.